Checklist complete. All systems green.
Confirmed. Authorizing transfer to Process A.
A specialized dielectric gel is applied meticulously to prevent electrical interference during the high-speed data transmission.
A series of high-speed optical sensors synchronize their position along the weapon rail assembly. These sensors are
Parameters confirmed for Process A and B.
T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sequence start.
All systems online. Proceed with testing.
The acoustic dampening system activates, recording the noise signature during rapid deployment cycles, ensuring the component's internal. Subjected to extreme thermal cycling, the weapon rail demonstrates consistent deployment velocity and hydraulic resilience. The electromagnetic shakers induce resonant frequencies, simulating severe airframe vibration to ensure mechanical robustness for certification.
The rapid return to zero strain confirms the material's excellent elasticity. The certified 3-meter industrial-grade weapon rail assembly is lowered onto a specialized vibration-dampening pallet for immediate. Following the certified industrial-grade weapon rail assembly, the automated wrapping machine ensures complete environmental sealing for the 3-meter component.
The hydraulic pressure on rail 3 peaked slightly high.
But the safety interlock compensated perfectly.
Parameters are nominal.
The simulation successfully replicates the stress data from process A. The predictive models align perfectly. Biometric scan confirmed. Digital performance data package certified. Armored vehicle departure confirmed. Transfer of custody logged.
Acknowledged. Status updated.
Here is the certified performance data package, ma'am.
Thank you. The data is critical for mission planning. Confirmed receipt.
These figures confirm the launch parameters. We have green across the envelope.
Uploading the profile to the flight simulation.
IG sequence initialized. Data package metrics confirmed. Operational parameters are green.
All green on the metrics. That's a confirmed success.
Excellent work, everyone. The data package is validated.
This graph confirms the flawless safety interlock response. It's why we use this data package for quality control and training on the Su-57 bay.
Check the alignment metrics on the secondary rail. We have an anomaly.
Rerunning the diagnostic package now, sir.
The digital performance data package confirms permanent integration. This certified digital output is crucial for the